Hi, in this video we take a look at the Toolbar Manager for TrueSpace, and this is the download link here, and it requires the persistent base install. So if that's not installed, install that first. And I have it downloaded here, and drag it into the link editor to install. And the installation will bring up the help that's available. I'm just going to go ahead and close that, and delete the installer. And here's the toolbar here. Now if I close the toolbar, to open it up, there's this TB button for opening up the toolbar, or the toolbar managers. Okay, I'll start by, creating some toolbars. I'll try modeling toolbar. I'll press Control and Shift and drag this out. And grab this guy, Control Shift. And that's good enough. Now if I wanted to add this toolbar to this list of toolbars here, it starts with a dummy button, but that doesn't do anything. So I'll add toolbar to menu, and it'll tell me to change the aspect of the toolbar I want to select. So I'll change it to a 1D aspect, and that'll add it to this list here. Another thing we can do is I can select the toolbar using the same process. I'll go back to 2D this time, and the toolbar is selected, and I'm going to rename it to model, or test model, since it is only a test. I'm going to add that to the toolbar menu. This time I'll just change the shape of the toolbar, and that's enough to also add it to the menu. So I have this test model frame and this junk toolbar frame. So I want to get rid of this toolbar frame. What I'll do is I'll close the toolbar, and I'll open the one I don't want anymore. There it is. And I have a delete toolbar option here. So I select that. It'll wait for me to change the aspect. Do that, and that deletes that toolbar, leaving only the test model frame. Okay, to permanently save a toolbar, we have this Save Toolbar to Library. I just click that and run through the same process again, and that'll save it to the library as indicated here in the status line below. And if I open up the library browser, under Objects, User Toolbars, I'll change that to so I can read it, and that shows this right there. So now that can be backed up or moved to another computer or shared with other people. Okay, and I'll make another toolbar. I'll Control Shift and drag this out. Shift and Control Shift. And I'll name this to the Array toolbar. So I'll select it and rename it to Test Array. Now I'll add that to the toolbar menu. Same thing. And here it is. Now, if I want to maintain these toolbars through a context switch or a change in layout, what I can do is use the Save Toolbar State option. And that'll save the state of all the toolbars listed here. So if I were to close those toolbars, then I can restore the toolbar state. And that brings them right back. And that also works when changing the layout. So I'll change to the 4 view. And to get my toolbar back, I just click on this persistent and click the toolbar icon. And now I can come down and restore the toolbar state, and I get my toolbars back. Okay. The little toolbar from library will open up a toolbar from the library where it was saved previously. You can also open the toolbar store. This is a node within trueSpace where the toolbars are stored. And refresh toolbar. You can also delete a toolbar. I'll do that a little bit later. And refresh toolbar menu is when you have the menus, or what it does is it restores from the store. So those two toolbars that were in the store, they'll get put back in place with the refresh toolbar menu option here. Okay, here we can hide all the toolbars, hide visible. That'll hide those two toolbars. We can bring them back by show hidden. And display all will bring back all toolbars that are listed under the toggle toolbars. And then one more thing before I show the delete, you can open the toolbar frame in the link editor. So click that, it allows me to select it by changing the aspect. So I'll change this one and see we're in the test frame array. And here's the toolbar with 3 buttons. Now if I want to permanently delete a toolbar, use the option here, delete toolbar. And I just change the aspect and that toolbar is deleted. If I refresh the toolbar menu, you can see it still had them listed. But if I were to try to do the array, it won't work because it doesn't exist. We can clean that up by using the refresh toolbar menu. And that brings it down to just the model frame, which is this toolbar right here. And let's see, I think I ran through everything. Let me go through that quickly. Yep, that's everything I wanted to show. That's a little system to organize and manage the toolbars that you create. Thanks for listening.